Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and the folder path noted. Start now. First, pause any sync clients and inform collaborators so files stop changing. Next, check for open handles. Use Task Manager or elseoff on Unix because a locked folder will block deletion. If you see active processes, close them or sign out affected users. Otherwise, proceed to unshare. Once done, you'll be ready to change share settings and remove access safely. You now disable sharing. Open the folder properties and remove the network share entry, or run the appropriate command, net share delete or SMB control. Then, adjust file system permissions, revoke group and user access, and remove inherited permissions if needed. Make sure to check both share level and file level rights. They are separate. If using a server, update active directory group memberships to prevent resharing. Once permissions are revoked, the folder is effectively isolated and ready for deletion. You're at the finish line. Delete the folder using elevated privileges, and if required, empty the recycle bin or run a secure wipe for sensitive data. After removal, confirm that no scheduled backups, scripts, or sync tasks reference the old path. These can recreate or fail on the missing folder. Finally, test access from another account to ensure it's gone. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion still fails, boot to safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.